大堆的啊。
I've got my sunglasses. I've got my favorite Awala bottle. Matches with the blue theme. Don't come for me, but because of my Rubik's Cube obsession, I brought my Rubik's Cube. I'm halfway done solving it. It's really easy to solve once you get the hang of it. Finally made it to the beach. It feels really nice. And the beach is just like very calm and serene. It's the day hanging out at the beach. There's a bird coming up next to me. He's looking at me and I'm looking at him. Should I go swimming today? But yeah, I might swim. I have my bathing suit on. But who knows? It's pretty cold. It's got a nice wind. Vanity. Okay, I've got the second layer done. $2? You wanna come or no? Yeah, just stay for an hour. Come down to Tower 24. Who is that? Do you love the Rubik's Cube? Yeah. No, he doesn't. He doesn't love Rubik's Cube. Hey, I'm just recording myself. How am I gonna live here? We're here. I'm busted today. I have a 50% off coupon that I think I'm gonna use for my drink, which I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm probably gonna get some bread or something. I got sea salt jasmine green tea. I do enjoy. It is quite delicious. I acted like I never tried this before when actually this is my go-to drink.
There's sushi bake. You see this whole tray?
It's gone, huh? Stefan's sushi base?
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, that's cute. Make sure you get the left side of my face. Left side of my face. Oh, why not the right?
You're gonna have to use the straw to suck up the whale and move it to the next plate of your. No cheating! No cheating!
recording this earlier.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
Baby, this helps her do her job. Do you have a job? No. Good job.
Hey, it's a new thing.
Okay. Why does he look like a dog?
Doesn't it look like I'm for sure gonna lose?
His looks bigger.
Ready? Let's go. Hey, you cheated!
It's like you're being on something that you have no idea. Is that good?
47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, Pastor D4, Peter,
The babies.
and the baby. 56.
Someone beat you. It's like 2 a.m. I just got home. I'm so tired. Tomorrow Sunday I am going to church, so I'm gonna see all those people again and get Phil's coffee, and then I'm gonna eat family dinner with my cousins and my auntie and uncle. That's the weekend. That's a wrap. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. See y'all tomorrow. Let's get our Phil's coffee, people. Okay, we've made it to church. Got my Phil's. Do a little OOTD later because my outfit is pretty cute if I do say so myself. So always bring extra shoes because sometimes I don't want to be wearing freaking cowboy boots the whole day. But let me put on my boots right now. Are these cute? I also thrifted these from the same place I got this. Might go later today, but we will see. Alright. Toodaloo. You see me? The boots. I've been at it. Do you see yourself?
Yeah, anyway. It's like really crunchy just now.
Did she air fry it?
I don't think so.
What, the bread?
I think it's just new.
Yeah. And also the bread is fresh.
She just got it right now?
Yeah.
You know, I thought I would get a camcorder.
Oh, it's this way. I feel like we're about to have a seance.
I can't see what we're eating.
Just trust it. Just trust.
Vegetable.
Just have a personal candle next to you.
Okay, that's.
Why? That's a bad piece of chicken.
Why?
You guys were saying that it wasn't good.
No, it's good.
No, this type is good.
Really?
Thở thì bình thường á.
But I'm pretty sure this is you. Okay.
Ông toàn là. Oh man. Quý bác. And then I look at him. Oh man.
Go for it. Show me your bowl. Oh, wow. Again. Don't suck it in. Do you see me, Arrow? Na, na, na. Oh, thank you. Look who's here. Your time? Just after your 12-hour shift. Hey! I'm back. Alina, have you seen my sock? Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, I left my sock here yesterday. I got it, but I don't know where the other pair is. But at least I got it, and they're gonna look for it. So hopefully my other sock is found.